Today, we are introducing new menu components, menu looping, and selector-based targeting and breakpoint triggers to the interaction builder. These new features, along with Divi 5's broader systems like canvases and semantic elements, all come together to give you the freedom to build any type of menu, including mega menus, slide-in menus, and more. We aren't done adding more menu features. We're adding them piece by piece, and each piece unlocks a broad range of new possibilities. Let me show you how it works. You can use the new link module to create custom menu items easily, and the dropdown module to create dropdowns inside any element. Add the dropdown module inside a link, choose its location and trigger, and fill the dropdown with anything. Add links, add a list, create a mega menu. It's a blank canvas that's fully customizable. You can build your own menus from individual modules, or you can use the new menu loop to loop through items of a WordPress menu. For example, if I turn on looping for this link and select the menu query type, I can choose from all the menus on my website. Next, I can plug in dynamic content from the loop, such as the menu text and menu URLs, and now I have created my own dynamic menu with complete control over the design of the looping element. Next, we introduced selector-based interaction targets. When you create an interaction, you can target parent or child elements rather than specific elements. It's useful when creating reusable menu components, such as hamburger icons or X icons. If I add an X icon to this off-canvas menu, I can tell it to always close its parent container. No matter where I put this X icon, it will always close the parent container. I don't have to reconfigure the interaction. Finally, we added new breakpoint triggers to the interaction builder. Now you can have interactions that run on specific breakpoints, which, for example, can give you more control over the mobile menu breakdown. Okay, one more thing. I threw in a new before and after image slider module. I was on a roll with module creation and I had some extra time, so I thought, why not? You can add a before and after image and slide to compare the two. These new slider modules and features are available for Divi 5 today. Give them a try and let us know your thoughts. We rebuilt Divi from the ground up and packed it full of dozens of your most requested features. Forget everything you thought you knew about Divi, because Divi 5 is something else entirely. Plus, we aren't done adding menu-based features, so stay tuned for more updates coming soon. In case you missed it, we recently released the Page Manager, Content Drill Down, and Preview mode for Divi 5. Now you can manage all your pages in the builder, preview your finished design in the builder, and navigate your content more quickly than ever. There's a link in the video description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and before you go, I have one favor to ask. If you are a Divi user, please subscribe to this channel. It only takes one click. These videos are the best way to keep up to date with the latest and greatest Divi features, and they are the perfect way to get up to speed before updating your websites. Thanks, and I'll see you soon for another Divi 5 feature announcement, which I promise is right around the corner.